Hey there, awesome founders. Stephen White with LeanMastery Incubator here. Several years ago, my partner Shafiq and I were sitting where you are. We were struggling with our startup focused on a collaboration tool for educators. Problem was, we didn't know how to engage early adopters. When we sought advice, most of it focused on topics that had nothing at all to do with helping us acquire customers. Worse, following the advice caused us to waste a considerable amount of time and money. In talking with other struggling founders, we realized that we all suffered from the same problem. We lacked a large number of engaged users for our respective products because none of us had figured out how to establish a beachhead market. So we abandoned targeting schools and universities as our initial customers because it was clear that we didn't have reach. We quickly changed our focus to a local community that we knew we could engage with our collaboration tool. We relaunched the Houston Lean Startup Circle to collaborate with founders and help them avoid the mistakes that we had made. After 40 workshops and having helped over 3,000 founders, we've built one of the largest lean startup communities. Of course, along the way, we learned that our customers didn't want yet another collaboration tool, but wanted the knowledge, tools, and expertise to help them build their business. We had found our beachhead market. Based on the tremendous response from the Houston community, we're launching Building Lean across 6 major cities. Building Lean is a series of workshops that cover the steps and activities your startup must take to build key business functions to sustainably generate revenues. Our workshops are inspired by the works of Eric Ries, Steve Blank, Bill Aulet, and Reid Hoffman, as well as our experience working with hundreds of startups and our research into the reason why 160 funded startups failed. Subscribe today to our channel and change how you grow your startup by building lean.